Hi, my name's Ian. I'm going to show you how to remove and clean the collet chuck for an NSK handpiece. This is an NSK Ultimate, but the procedure is the same for the Volvere and for the VMax. The first step is to remove the chuck. So if you put the handpiece in the unlocked position, you can use the collet wrench or the chuck wrench to loosen the chuck. So I always do it with a tool in the chuck, and that keeps the chuck from collapsing on itself. So line it up and loosen it, and it should just come loose. Once it's loose, you can remove the burr and screw out the chuck. It takes about 5 or 10 turns to come loose. Once it's loose, you can remove it with your fingers. Just keep turning until as it protrudes more and more, and then pull it out. Once it's out, clean it. Make sure that it's cleaned inside. I usually use a Q-tip, a wooden Q-tip like cleaner to clean out inside. You can also clean the slots, being very careful to make sure that the small O-ring stays intact. You can put these in an ultrasonic cleaner as well, and make sure that it's clean and dry before reinstalling it. To reinstall it, it's the same thing in the reverse order. Put the chuck in, tighten it as much as you can with your hands. Once it's tight enough there, then you can use the wrench to tighten it more. The final step should be done with a tool in it to keep the collet from collapsing. And just snug it up. That's it. Once it's done, use the handpiece. If the collet chuck is stuck and you can't loosen it using the wrench, there's a angled wrench that you can use. And the procedure to do that is to line up in this small slot the flat surfaces. So if with it in the unlocked position, you can turn it until the flat surfaces align with the slots in the nose cone, and you can install this angle wrench. So hold it with your thumb, and then the procedure is the same. That will keep the mechanism from turning inside the handpiece, and it will give you more leverage. So this will get stuck if it's been used for a long time, or if it's been used with a large handpiece. It can tighten it up. So that will give you enough leverage to undo it, and then the process is the same as before. Once it's loosened, you can remove the angle wrench and undo it manually with your hand. Thanks for watching.